Namaskaram and welcome. I am a big fan of science fiction movies, and I believe many of us do like sci-fi movies. I actually get very excited to see new concepts, which sci-fi movies shows to us. An interesting part is that NASA is implementing it in real time. Like a science fiction movie, NASA is able to produce oxygen on Mars' atmosphere. Perseverance, NASA's newest six-wheeled robot on the surface of Mars, is converting some of the red planet's thinly distributed, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere into oxygen to its growing list of firsts. The task was carried out by the Mars Oxygen In-Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, MOXIE, a toaster-sized experimental instrument on Perseverance. On Mars, it has been producing breathable oxygen with the same efficiency as a small tree. While the technology demonstration is still in its early stages, it may pave the way for science fiction to become reality by allowing astronauts to store and isolate oxygen on Mars in order to power rockets that could lift them off the planet's surface. These gadgets may also in the future supply astronauts with air to breathe. Before people visit the planet, scientists say a scaled-up version of MOXIE could be sent there to continuously produce oxygen at the rate of several hundred trees. According to a study, MOXIE was able to produce oxygen on 7 experimental runs. In a variety of atmospheric conditions, including day and night and throughout various Martian seasons. It succeeded in producing 5 grams of oxygen during each run, which is on equal level with the output of a small tree on Earth. Although MOXIE still needs to do more work, the outcomes of this technology demonstration are encouraging. As we work toward our ultimate goal of sending humans to Mars one day, we don't just breathe in oxygen. Future explorers will rely on producing rocket propellant on Mars in order to return home because it requires oxygen. 96% of the atmosphere on Mars is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecules, which are composed of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms, are broken down into their component oxygen atoms by MOXIE. Carbon monoxide, a waste product, is released into the Martian atmosphere. During this initial operation, MOXIE produced only about 5 grams of oxygen, which is about 10 minutes worth of breathable oxygen for an astronaut. Up to 10 grams of oxygen can be produced by MOXIE every hour. Not only is MOXIE the first device to create oxygen on an alien planet, but this method also enables us to transform these abundant resources into useful items like propellant, breathable air, or water when combined with hydrogen. Do you know there are places on Moon which have stable temperatures for future astronauts' shelter? You can watch the detailed video by clicking on it. If you think our video was informative, you can appreciate us by liking and subscribing. Please hit the subscribe button for astronomy, cosmology and science updates. Thank you and have a great day.